Here we have the Neritic Bantum Polespear. This is a pretty cool little setup. This is the thinner of the two pole spears that Neritic makes. This is an aluminum 3-piece pole. It uses their pretty cool Neritic magnetic slip tip system, which is nice and trick. Other than that, it's going to be a little bit heavier setup, so a little bit slower, but it hits fish hard. And this is a particularly cool one. What's up with this one?
The Neritic Bantam in the 8-foot size. And these are especially made for us here at Florida Freedivers. And I particularly like this one because, like you were saying, it's a little bit heavier, so it has a little bit more hitting power. But for me, I like to load it up all the way. And when you're going after your big groupers and whatnot, easy to go into the rocks. You don't have a big, long section on the end of it, so you can peek through, shoot the groupers up in the rocks, and get them out real quickly with this little 8-foot spear.
You gotta get over the ledge.
You gotta get over the ledge.